These are the solutions that are guaranteed to fix Valorant not updating and being stuck at 0. At first, my Valorant game was stuck at 0.1 kilobytes when I was trying to update the game. My first thought was to try running the game as administrator, but that didn't work, so I tried uninstalling and reinstalling the Valorant game. After I did that, my game was stuck at 0. But when I clicked on the 4 boxes icon on the top left of the game launcher, I saw that my update wasn't actually stuck at 0. It was stuck downloading, but it was stuck at 45% updating. Make sure to watch till the end of the video because I'm going to show you 2 different methods to fix Valorant not updating and stuck downloading issues. Before you begin working on any computer issue, you need to make sure that your operating system is up to date. I have seen so many issues that have fixed themselves by simply checking if your Windows or Mac system has any pending updates. Now that your computer is up to date, make sure that the Valorant game is closed. Go down to your taskbar and close window if it is open. Also check that Riot isn't open in your active icons box. After we have made sure that Valorant is closed, we can start the first method. This is the method that solved the updating issue for me. It was actually very simple. I am running Avast antivirus. All I did was go down to my active icon for Avast and right click on it and scroll up to Avast Shields control and then choose to disable it. I chose to disable it for 1 hour. But if you have a slow internet connection, you may need to set this for longer. However long you think the update process will take to download and install the Valorant update. If you are running a different antivirus program, just disable it, similar to the way I have done with Avast. Once you have done this, just start the game and see if it works. This is what worked for me, but if it doesn't work for you, here is the next method. In method 2, again, you're going to want to make sure that the Valorant game is closed. So look at your taskbar, make sure that Valorant isn't in the taskbar, and look at your background icon processes group, and make sure it's not open there either. Then you're going to want to open up a command prompt, and when you open up command prompt, you want to right click and run as administrator. The first command is sc delete vgc. Type that in and hit enter. The second command is the same as the first, just it ends in K instead of C. After typing it in, hit enter. That will kill the Riot Vanguard anti-cheat processes that are running on your computer. After you finish entering in the commands, you want to restart your computer. Once you have restarted your computer, you want to navigate to the Riot Vanguard folder. This will be under the C drive in program files, and then scroll down to Riot Vanguard and delete this folder. Don't worry, the next time you start the Valorant game, the game will download these files again. After you have deleted the folder, all you need to do is try and start your game again.